Hyatt Zilara Cancun. Offering breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, this adults-only all-inclusive resort and spa features endless activities and entertainment, such as outdoor pools, fitness center, private beach area and various dining options. The Hyatt Zilara Cancun offers everything needed for a memorable stay. Guests can enjoy everything from introductory scuba diving lessons and craft making and wine tasting classes and diving lessons. Guests can enjoy a variety of dishes in one of the 6 specialty restaurants and enjoy refreshing cocktails at the 5 different bars available. There is always something to do at the Hyatt Zilara Cancun. With live nightly entertainment, themed parties and cultural shows, there is something for everyone. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.